Colossyan Creator. Imagine turning a PowerPoint, PDF, or text document into a professional training video in just minutes. That's exactly what Colossyan Creator delivers. Founded in 2020 by Dominic Mate Kovacs, a former deepfake detection researcher, Colossyan set out to simplify video creation for workplace learning. Backed by over $27 million in funding, the platform is now trusted by global brands like BMW, Porsche, and Novartis. Here's why it's powerful. Text-to-video conversion. Transform training materials instantly into engaging videos. AI avatars. Choose from 150+ avatars or even create your own in under a minute. Multilingual support. Over 80 languages and accents for global teams. Interactive features, quizzes, and multi-avatar conversations keep learners engaged. Easy updates. No reshooting. Just edit in browser and refresh the video. SCORM export. Ready for learning management systems. From HR onboarding to corporate L&D, Colossyan cuts video production costs, saves time, and makes training content more engaging than ever.